Hi guys, so this is a video about butterfly health and wellness workshop that is conducted on 17th of August. So yeah, this is a video that I'm going to show you what I have experienced on the day. So here you go.
Ensure everyone thrives meaning being the best of yourself in terms of body, mind and spirit. So healthy living, balancing work, life and play.
The first station I went to was doing this DIY clay mask by Ms Bavani from Naturally Handmade.
Red clay is for purifying. Yeah, green clay is actually made from marine life, so it's like seaweeds and all that.
Marine life.
Yeah, marine.
Marine.
Yeah, so it's very high in collagen.
Okay, we are now in station 2 making blending oil from Signature Market. If you don't know, Signature Market comes out with a lot of superfood, but right now there's one series known as Plant Origins under Signature Market, and this is their products that have oils, essential oils, and then they also have body wash, hand soap, and then a lot of essential oil, as you can see here.
Like with our body soap and also hand soap as well. So if you see on your table, there are actually 14 cents of essential oils. So you can see right there, and what you'll be doing is different essential oil got different type of like function and all. So later what I'm going
a cat as well